Hey, 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 check it out. River Whips magazine. All this layout in the magazine was done by my friend, our friend, Erick Bryner. Fast and Loud photography, videographer, pro photog. He laid it all out. Now it's out here at Barrett-Jackson. It's going to run through the block on Thursday. Earn some trophies over the time. Let's go check it out.
Oh, you think so?
It's a very popular piece here under the tent. This is tent 5 because if you saw it up close, you'd see just how beautiful it is. I'm sure this should bring a good chunk of change. Rightfully so. The owner is on site. Contact me on the 909 number right there. Any questions? Say you want to set your VCR, your recorder, your DVR, and replay this as it goes over the block on Thursday, just to see what kind of money something like this can fetch. I waited quite a few moments here to try to get a video of this with nobody around it. Highly unlikely. I do get a chance to get out here early again, we'll redo it. But for now, we'll go with this video and this red and white Bronco. 4-wheel drive, nicely prepared.
Those are my favorite things.
Gonna go across the block. There you have it. DanoLive exclusive for our friend Erick Bryner. Fast and Loud photography.